So I've started off with some River Rocks spray painted white. The paints I've used for this project are Easy Marble paint. This is not sponsored or endorsed in any way. I just like these paints for this project because they are light fast and waterproof. Good for garden art. So you start off with putting a few drops of each colour into a tub of water, and I always make sure I wear gloves while doing this because you don't want to get it on your skin. Anyway, they dry pretty quick, so I tried to work quickly using a stick to swirl the paint around, and use the stick to move the paint out of the way so when you pull the rock out it doesn't get extra paint on it. Then use a scrap piece of cardboard or paper to clean up any paint residue